Okay. So guys, I'm gonna let him. So guys, previously we discussed about the Workday default homepage. Okay. In Workday default homepage, we discussed about the most important property search button. Okay. How you are using the search, how you are using the search button. Okay. How important of the search button we discussed. And we also discussed about the apps and shortcuts. And also we discussed the home button and Workday assistant functionalities. Workday assistant functionalities. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the remaining properties, guys. Go to bell icons. Okay, notifications, guys. As part of the company policies, as part of the company policies or company regular operations, we may need to send some notification to employees. Correct? We may need to send some notification. For example, so today, few of the employees' date of birth, we are going to send the a visiting notification to employees. So that's the email notifications we are generated and sending to the employee. Okay. So they will get the two places for these notifications. They will get the notifications in the bell icon notification section. They will also receive the email through their official email. Okay. So generally, upcoming class we will discuss. Don't worry. A configure alerts. What is the task name? Configure alerts. If you are creating any type of alerts, okay, employees date of birth we are creating, or you are running on daily basis, correct? So these notifications are going to generate it. Employees, you see, who will receive the notification? Employee and CC to manager, correct or not? CC to the manager. Any specific email subject? What was the message body? Correct or not? We will set up the notifications like this. Upcoming class will discuss very detailed, don't worry. So generally, these notifications will trigger today, means schedule based. Maybe you are scheduling these notifications on daily basis, or you are scheduling these notifications on weekly basis or monthly basis. Those notifications will trigger. They will receive those notifications in the notification section bell icon. See now, you click on this bell icon, you can see all your notifications. See, any type of. You are a manager. If any employee interview has been scheduled with you, correct or not? If any interview is scheduled with you, yes or no? It's a notification required, yes or no? You can see all the date of birth. This is the date of birth notification, correct or not? Perfect. So that's what you will receive those notifications in the bell icon. You may also receive these notifications on the official email ID. Both will happen parallel. Okay? Perfect. The next is inbox. The next one is inbox approval. For example, for example, if any employee taking some leave, if any employee is taking leave, will it require to take some approvals or not? Online people, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
It may require
Yes.
to take some approvals, and those approvals should come to inbox items. Inbox items. Here, they can review all the transactions They can review all these transactions, guys. See all the transactions they can review, they can submit or they can cancel, they can deny. See, the one time payment has been submitted. Maybe bonus. One of the employee is getting the bonus, incentive bonus. Okay. As a manager, Logan McNeil is the manager, correct or not? Now she is getting an approval for this. Now she is going to take an approval. Or maybe she can send back. She can deny. She can close this request. Correct or not? As part of the company operations, a few important tasks are required for approvals. Correct or not? Okay. For example, you are a manager, your reportees are applying some leaves, and this approval should come to your manager inbox items. And you should come to workday. You go to inbox items. If you want to take an actions, you can click on approve, or you want to cancel, you can cancel that. You can reject the approvals. Correct or not? See, this is successfully approved. See, the inbox items is very important task as part of the company operations. If any approvals are routed with you, it will come to your inbox items. From there, you can see all pending approvals with you. You can take an action. You can approve, or you can cancel, or you can deny these things. Correct or not? Excellent. Okay. The next one is the profile picture. See now, which account you may log in? Logan McNeil. Correct? Which account you log in, guys? A Logan McNeil. You can see the Logan McNeil profile details. Okay, you can see your profile details. You can see what is your current location, and who's your manager, and what is your employee ID, and you are part of which supervisory organization, and currently what positions you are holding, correct or not? And what is your business title, and what is your job profile, and what is your employment type, and what is your management level, what is your full time and location workspace, and what was the hire date you are hired, and how long you are been there in the same position. You can see the job history, promotions, feedback. If you received any feedback from you, anybody, you can see all the details at the profile level. Correct or not? You expand this, you can also see all the profile, the head end-to-end HR operations, all your end-to-end HR operations you can see at your profile level. You can click on the summary, you can see all your summary details. You click on the jobs, you can see all your job related details. You click on your contact data, like click on the contact, you can see your contact data, your office address, home address, any emergency contact, your personal email ID. Yes or no? Your Facebook ID, LinkedIn ID. Okay, perfect. This is your personal data. This is your personal data, and all your personal related documentations, Aadhaar card, passport, PAN card, Aadhaar card. You can see all your documents, your ID proofs. Okay. Recently, we added the vaccinations, COVID-19 vaccinations also. We added this. Okay. And compensation, your salary details, and benefits, what all benefits you have, and who all are your dependents, correct? And your salary details, your place, your Form 16 places, your tax declarations, all your bank details, everything you can see in the pig, and your performance. You can see the last 10 years, what is your performance rate. You are really doing well, or you need to improve. What is your performance rating? Correct or not? Your career, the recruitment process, the feedback summaries, options details, and any particular company property you have. Maybe company has given any corporate credit card for you, or company has given any laptop, any mouse or laptop or desktop, anything which is company has related to give you, all will be trackable in the company property, and all your travel visas, everything you can see here. Correct or not? Excellent. So a single profile, correct? You can see end-to-end HR operations. Yes or no? Online with
Yes, yes, sir.
perfect. So that's what you can see a profile level. A single page can display the end-to-end HR operations. No other ERP systems can't be provided the data like this. A best visibility, a best friendly user application, a best front-end application. As of now, Workday is one of the best in a single source of data can visualization. Okay, perfect. Guys. You can also see, click on this home, it will go to home button again. It goes to the home page. So that's the home page and your account. You click on the account, you can change your password, you can change your preferences, means any specific time zone you want to display, any specific date format, and what location you are currently staying, and what language you want to see the page, all your preferences. Correct or not? That's the preferences. And how you want to see the look and feel. You can change your preferences settings in the My Account preferences. And you can see these are the questions, password expiries, questions. Okay. And you can also change your password. Correct or not? And this is the password challenging questions. And this is you can see the sign on history from last 1 week or last 1 month. You can see how many times you log in which IP address. In case you have some doubt, maybe someone is currently using your account, maybe you have any doubts, you can also check your sign on history. Very flexible, correct or not? And guys, please don't change the password. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, perfect. So that's what your account maintenance can be maintained by this my account section. And the next one is workbench. If you click on the home page, whatever you are seeing, whatever you are seeing, it is a company default home page. Correct or not? The company, all the company announcement. Correct or not? Any important suggestions, documentations, any travel plan recommendations, the company important trainings will be displayed here. Correct or not? I don't want to see all unwanted things. I would like to see only work related workday formalities. Then this will come workbench. Only workday apps and workday related things will come. Don't company. Okay. So company news, company related news, company recommended, those unwanted things won't be displayed here. Only the work related applications, only work related inbox, only work related things, the look and feel will come. So this is also one of the default homepage only for work related. Okay, that's the workbench. Okay, if you want to go normal homepage, you click on this. This will go normal homepage. In case if you want to go by workbench homepage, you can click on the workbench. Okay, guys, perfect. The next one is site map. Remember, whatever things you are going to perform in Workday, you know each and every task name, correct? But no one is not remember what is the task name, what all things, right? As a real-time consultant, we always go to site map. We always go to the site map. Under the site map, each functional area, what all tasks are available in Workday and what all reports are available in Workday, it will come. See now? You can click it. You go to higher functionality, these reports are available and these tasks are available. These all the tasks are available in Workday for high functionalities. Correct? Or not? For a job change functionality, these all the tasks are available And these all the reports are currently available. It's very easy. You don't need to remember each and everything, right? Yeah. Initially, you are very new to the you are very new to this technology. Maybe you cannot remember each and every activities, correct or not? So that is the reason we should spend some time here. You are performing some activities, some functional area. You don't know what all the common tasks are available. You can check those. You can check it. So this is the best source for initially you can see each functional area what common tasks are available and what reports are available. That's it. Okay. See, in integration side, see, only these all tasks are available. Create EIB, create integration attachment, edit EIB. Yes or no? If you are working as an integration consultant, you don't need to remember all the task names. Only only 16 plus 5, 21 tasks are available. That's it. No other tasks are available. Only 21 tasks are available to manage the end-to-end integration consultant. Correct? Perfect. Hello. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು. Okay. So this is the area you people need to be focus on initial days. Okay. Understand the process. Especially as an integration consultant and as a report consultant, you can see report. See, only these all the tasks are available for reporting. On integrations, you can see what all integration tasks are available. Correct, Amland? This one. 21. Correct, Amland? That's it. It's very easy. It's very, very easy to maintain. And you also need to know because I will also keep telling the a commonly used task. You don't need to worry about that. Okay? Perfect. So these site maps are very useful for initially you are working the new items, correct? You always reference to check here. And the favorites. Remember in the shortcuts, you can add only 10 things, right? Only 10. Only you can add it 10, correct? If you want to add more things, unwanted, okay, you can see so many things you can add. Managing your favorites, you can add your tasks, you can add your reports, you can add your business objects regularly using. You keep maintain those favorites. Here there is no limitations. You can add n number of things. Okay. So only the shortcuts you can maintain 10. Maybe you are using the favorites. You use the favorites. You can add these. You can maintain those favorites. For example, you are using the tasks. Maybe regularly you are using hire employee. Regularly you are using the change of. Regularly you are using the terminate an employee. Okay. Request one time payment like this. You can add those favorites that will come here. You added any reports, you added any tasks, everything should be come here. You want to perform this task, then click on that. You can do those activities. Generally, the end users can't remember each and every task name. They can keep add those favorites. They keep utilizing those reports, task names. They can keep utilizing those. Okay, perfect. So that's the favorites and then audit. You can see the a system audits each functional area. You can run some audit reports. You keep monitoring your system. This will be available only for admin team, not for all the people. Okay. You can run the audit reports for HCM. These all the audits will help us to keep tracking our data. It's secured and private. If someone is deleted, sorry, someone is updated, someone is moving, someone is trying to access, someone is creating duplicates. Everything should be keep trackable here. Okay, perfect. So that's the audit. Okay, and you can see the drive. I think you also very well about the Google Drive, right? Generally, you can store some documentations, store some okay any kind of important documentations. You can keep store. Okay, you can create some personal folders. You can keep storing that. Workday is a cloud platform. The important documentations you can create it in folders. You can keep storing into your folders, and you can share these folders to your team members to come and review. For example, there is a very important company legal document is there. By mistakenly you send the that's okay. So by mistakenly you forwarded to a wrong person. He through email you forwarded to a wrong person. Immediately he downloaded the documentation. Can we take that backup again? No, right? Because you sent a wrong person. He already downloaded. Again, if you called and if you asked, okay, he said I deleted, but he already take the copy in the local backup. So that is why for more security, we will create the folders in the drive, Workday drive. In these drives, you keep copy the documentations here. And these documents can be shared to the only limited people. And we can simply provide that URL and they have a user ID and password. If they have access in the share button, then only those people can view this data. Only those people can view our documentations on sheets or a report data. Correct or not? Okay. The most important your design documentations, the company related documentations, the work related documentations, you can keep store it here. You can create one new folder. Yes or no? You can upload some documentations. You can do whatever you want. It's very simple. You want to delete those files, you can delete those files. You can share with somebody, you can share with somebody. That's what if you want to delete, you can delete it, no issues. But please don't do that. Okay? Okay, perfect guys. So that's the drive and this is the reports. Maybe okay, generally if you run any report, that report output should come to your my report section. You ran a report. Okay? You ran a report. And that report output should come to your my reports queue also. Okay? Upcoming class you will get more clarity, don't worry. And this is the documentations. If you click on this, it goes to Workday document page. It goes to the Workday document page. Maybe you need to log in as the community account. Then this will go to all the Workday related documents. 1 minute, guys. I will show you. Guys, able to see my screen now?
No, Ajay.
Okay.
No.
You click on
Yes, now I can
Yes.
see.
Now
you
open.
click on the documentations. This will flow to the Workday document section like this. Okay. It is not properly routed. Usually you click on this image. There you can see the documentations. That's complete the Workday manuals documentations are available here. This is for HCM. This is for finance. This is for pay. Okay, guys. You click on the HCM. You can see now you are connected to the Workday HCM documentations. You can download those PDFs. You can read those documentations. Yes, it's completely your okay your control. That's it. Okay, so that's the documentations help center. Okay, if you click on this, this will also connect it to Workday help centers. From there, you can create some queries or any issues. You can create the tickets. We did not configure the help center in the implementation tenant, but in the production system, we configured that. Okay, and then the recovery assistant. Recently, if any task you are performing, the recent activities what you are doing, you can always check the recovery. Okay, that's it. If you want to sign out, that's it. So that's the profile picture. Under the profile picture, we have a certain properties are available. Just make a note. The most important thing is the sitemap and the drive. Mostly, these are two things are very useful for us. And click the home page. You know very well, right? These all the company recommendations, company announcement, company configurations, okay, recommendations. How these will be coming? Usually maintain dashboards. What is the task name? Maintain the dashboard. From there, we have a home page. Which one? Home page is there. Here, it's complete delivered one. Home page is also delivered by Workday. You can see here we configured what all things you want to display. See what worklets you want to display, team performance, any links you want to display, any announcements. As I said, right, announcement. If you want to display any company announcement, for example, in COVID second wave, my company conducted the vaccination at office level. So we configured the announcement. And recently, we also celebrated the yoga day. All we configured those announcement. And Diwali, we distributed a gift. HR has given the notification. Please do the announcement configuration at the company level, where you will configure at the home page. You can see the setups. That this is a default landing home page, and where you will configure the announcement. What kind of recommendations you want to display to the team people. So you can see the benefits and pay. You can see what things you want to display. Based on this configuration, the home page will become. Okay, guys? Perfect. So this is what the a look and feel of Workday system. Before going to the subject, you must and should understand what is Workday and how you are able to log into Workday. Okay, and understand each and every property, how it will useful. You will get at least some basic idea. Okay, perfect. The most important thing is search engine. How you are accessing your Google. For example, you are looking some details, right? Everything you should enter. Some, for example, you are looking some New York. You just enter the Google in New York search engine. That will come immediately the related information. Similarly, in Workday, whatever things you are looking for, it will come immediately. Maybe you want to click any software engineer. See, software development project is there. You can just enter the software. A software related key matchings will be displayed. Software engineers are there, software development team is there. There are so many things are to be there, correct or not? But if you enter some proper things, that will come automatically. Okay? So whatever things you are going to perform, whatever things you are going to working on in Workday, everything in the same page. Only this page only you are going to perform all your duties. Okay? Perfect. Online people, anyone have any doubts, guys?
Good to go.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, you have mentioned about the drive now, that we'll create the folders and we'll share to the persons that link URL will share. So the persons will only have the access to use the content what we are sharing, or they can download also.
They can view, they can download also, but you have an audit, right? You can see if you give access only view, okay? It's up to your wish. They can only view, they can't download those. You can see now. For example, you go to total rewards, okay? You can take a control of this. They can only view, you can give only view access. See, you click on this share people. As of now, only these two people having access. Now you are adding one more new person. But will you someone? I don't want to give an edit access, only view access I can give. Okay? Now Bethelio can only view access. She can't download that. Only she can view, that's it. She is the owner for creating this report. She has given to Teresa for complete control. Okay, edit access also. She can only view. She can't download those templates. Okay?
Okay. Sir, and when we are explaining about the dashboards, we can able to edit the dashboards. Right?
Don't
But
worry. Income upcoming classes. Don't worry.
that's not the thing, sir. That dashboard appearance, what we are going to edit is for our own dashboard or the end user dashboard, sir.
That's what. So that's the thing. I'm not giving any details about the dashboard here at this sessions. I gave it only for the navigations. Okay. How
Okay.
the default home page will come based on the home dashboard that has been delivered by Workday. Okay. We will take separate sessions for the dashboards. What is dashboard? Okay. Why we are using the dashboards and how many types of dashboards we have and who will create those dashboards and who can share these dashboards, who can maintain and who can control those dashboards. We'll discuss. If I can give some answers right now, but it's not complete understand. Maybe you know it's a kind of a high level things. Okay, don't worry. We'll discuss upcoming class. Okay, so as of now, we discussed about the very basic fundamentals of look and feel of working. When we start the subject, actual subject, we'll tell you the scenarios also. Okay, yeah. For
Okay, sir.
example, yeah. See, the scenario means, for example, we created the dashboards like see these are the dashboards, correct? Payroll dashboards, benefit dashboards. Okay, in these dashboards, you can see all these dashboards we created and attached here. We recently worked on the headcount analytics dashboards. What is that? Headcount analytics dashboard, where the H will start. See, na? In a single page, you can see the complete company headcount growth, headcount by gender, headcount by year of by tenure, headcount by year, headcount by year of terminations, last 4 years employee terminations, and hires and promotions. Correct, Anna? Perfect. So this is a dashboard we created, and this dashboard is requested by a company CEO and company chairperson. They want to see in a single page in our company last 4 years how many people how many people got terminated, how many people got hired, how many people got promotions. Yes or no? I would like to see the company's growth from last 4 years only for headcount. Similarly, we'll see the compensation. Similarly, we see many areas. So these are the dashboards we created, and these dashboards can be added to the dashboards, and these dashboards can be reviewed by a higher level management authorities. We'll discuss, don't worry. Okay? Online people, anyone have any doubts?